All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coyne YouTube channel. Today is another building update video. It rained like crazy last night. I know they got that storm coming in on the East Coast. I hope everybody down in Florida is safe. I know they've been getting hammered. But anyway, we are now working on the floors. Well, we're pretty much done with the floors, but I figured I would show you guys what I did with the floors, and maybe you might like it. Probably some of you won't. That's okay, but it's cost effective and it's fairly easy for DIY. And it's the vinyl waterproof, which I guess vinyl is already technically waterproof. Peel and stick. Looks like fake hardwoods, but it's like planks. So let me show you guys. All right, so as you'll see, I already laid down a bunch of plastic, but the flooring that we used is this stuff. Now this isn't a full plank. Here's actually, I believe, a full plank. And it looks pretty good, looks pretty realistic. It's got a little bit of texture on top of it. It's hard to catch with the camera. And then the back of it literally just peels off. And the whole thing is just a big, huge sticker. I could have cheaped out a little bit more and gone with laminate, but a lot of the reviews said if it got wet, it would start like buckling and peeling. This had awesome reviews, and this is actually the same brand, but a slightly different color than what we laid in our last houses downstairs. So we pulled the carpet up. It was just a concrete slab. All you do is clean the slab off, get it real nice and clean, and then start laying it out. Now it's dirty because we've been stepping all over it, and it's like nasty and wet outside. But yeah, the seams are pretty good. They do sell a glue, so if you have any like troubled spots where it does not want to stick, all you gotta do is pull it up, put a little bit of glue behind it, and you're good to go. I have like a couple spots, like there's a spot right here you can see where it just doesn't want to lay. So I'll probably glue that one down. But for the time being, I think this is awesome for the value, or for the dollar. It's like $1.40 something, almost $1.50 per square foot. I bought just at 1,200 square feet, and it looks like I'll have one box left over. So pretty much right on the money with size-wise. As for laying it, stuff's super easy to lay. Let me see if I can, I think there's one more section. Oh yeah, I haven't finished in here. So I'm gonna go grab some of it and show you how it lays in here. And yeah, we'll go from there. So maybe this might help you guys on your little project. As for laying it on like OSB or a wooden floor or anything, I have no idea how you would do that, because it is sticky, but it just doesn't seem like it would stick to wood. Like, it sticks to concrete great, but I don't know about wood. All right, so I have this section in here that after drywall, I took like a paint scraper, scraped all the loose drywall up, and then just sweeped it off. And sometimes some people said acid etching your concrete is beneficial. I did not acid etch mine in my previous house, and I did not acid etch it here. And it already seems to be sticking pretty well. So the next thing you need to do, it's got arrows so you can have all your wood grain going the same direction. There's a pretty good variance between different planks. They're not all exactly the same exact print. So if you mismatch them and that kind of stuff, it actually blends in pretty well. Now, what I like to do is hold it up there, measure it out. All you need is a good razor blade. And then for a straight edge, I just actually take another piece, do them side by side, and hold that right there, and then boom. After you score it, all you gotta do is go pop, and they'll actually break free pretty cleanly. And then you have a good edge where you can, a little bit of drywall dust. Might need to re-sweep this, but for this one it'll be fine. Then you can go peeler free. butted up against the old one. Right there on the money. Oh no, I didn't cut it short enough. Okay, I actually need to cut a little bit more off of this one. I'm gonna just freehand it. Now I'm gonna stick the cut side up underneath the drywall. Alright, and I found out that the easiest way is literally just to step on it. And then she's there. There ain't no getting that up. I mean, you could if you do something like this, like peel it up, but it actually sticks really, really easy. So, yeah. The brand is called Traffic Master Peel and Stick Vinyl. And it says residential lifetime warranty. Obviously, I don't know what kind of things they stand behind with their warranty, but here we go. I'll flip this around so y'all can see it. Traffic Master Peel and Stick, residential lifetime, 36 square feet per box. So super simple, super easy. Taupe oak, sold by the case. We bought a case of them. 6-inch by 36-inch planks. Bam. All right. So we've already done the bathroom. We've done this room. We've done everything actually, except for that closet. That was the last little bit. I'm about to lay the plastic or the paper down in here and start wiping all the walls down, because the next step of the process, oh, the echo in there is killing me. I need to get some furniture in there ASAP. We're gonna go with paint. Now, I know a lot of people are like, oh my God, you want with this paint or that paint? I talked to a bunch of different people, and for what we want here, we just wanted eggshell and a light gray, and I did not want to have to prime it first before I painted. Some people thought that was sacrilege. Other people was like, oh, it's no big deal. I talked to the paint guy at Home Depot, and then the paint guy at Lowe's, and then a couple buddies that did paint, and everybody's like, if you're gonna do 2 or 3 coats, it's not really a big deal. So I might have to eat my words or eat their words later on, but we'll see how this goes. It's always funny to look back and be like, oh yeah, we got this, it's great. And then I do it and it just turns out horribly. But I'm gonna clean the walls off, get all the paper down, and then it'll be paint. That'll probably be for another video, but yeah. So boom, there's all my boxes. I need to clean that up. And oh, we actually had 4 boxes left over of new stuff. I am curious to see, once I get this garage area cleaned up, if I did the fake hardwoods in the garage. I don't know how it would hold up to a car pulling up on top of it, because I do want to back my car in and leave my car over here. But maybe I could cut out those little squares of felt to put up underneath the tires or something. I just don't want it to mar up and mess up the fake hardwoods if I spend all the time to put it in here. I don't think I quite have enough, because I think this garage area is 700 square feet, and those are only 36 square feet to a box. It says on it, yeah, 36 square feet. So we got 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got about 130 to 140 square feet. I'd probably need I need quite a bit of more boxes to finish out this area, but oh well. Luckily, I don't have to do this area right now. We can push that off till later. Also, I do still have to do the insulation on this wall. I did the insulation all the way around the outsides like y'all saw in the last videos. And then I still have to get up and insulate some of the side areas of the attic, because I only insulated in the center sections. So I think I might actually rent one of the blowers and go up top and fill all the rest in with blown insulation. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Lots and lots of work to do. Fun stuff. So, and I got a bunch of extra drywall. So once I insulate these, I'm going to just throw up some drywall over top of it. And I'm probably not going to mud it or anything. Just have it just raw out here. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one. Hopefully you enjoy this kind of stuff. If you do, I've shown every step of the process from start to finish. I do need to do an updated budget video because people are asking me what I spent on it, what was this, what was that. And I like to be transparent with you guys to let you guys know if you wanted to do it, like what you'd be running into. As for why I'm doing it, because I always get asked why, I figure I'll go ahead and answer it. This is going to be a temporary but also long-term like situation for potentially me and my family. So does that mean it's going to be forever? No, but it could. If the market turns and we need to stay in here longer, it should check all the boxes and it has everything that I need. If the market does great in the next couple, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, then we could look into building something else because our land goes further over that way. So just lots of options. People are like, oh my God, why are you investing, blah, blah, blah. Well, it is what it is. You got to roll the dice sometimes. So yeah. Anyway, later guys. Peace. Adios.